What is up everybody, and welcome to today's video. Now today's video is going to be slightly different. We are going to be diving into the charts, but first I want to talk about PrimeXBT. Now PrimeXBT have been nice enough to partner with me, and I am happy to announce that partnership now. This platform is really well trusted. As you all know, you've probably heard of PrimeXBT. All you have to do is go over onto the Trustpilot reviews and you'll see constant 5 stars, all of that. So this is a trusted company. As you guys know, I'm very careful with who I work with because I don't want to give you guys something that I don't trust myself, because I would never do that. As a creator, I feel like I have a responsibility to actually use the platforms I'm promoting to you. So with that being said, I decided to partner up with PrimeXBT, and today I just want to show you around, sort of give my 2 cents on the platform, and then we're going to look at Bitcoin on the TradingView chart, and I want to actually take a trade with this account I've got given here. So if we head over to the Trustpilot reviews here, you can see that the reviews are really good. 4.4 stars overall, verified company, right? So they are an actual company and the reviews are excellent, as you can see here. This is why I decided to work with them. So you can see here, I have an account under them, and I want to show you, obviously, the charts as usual. I want to dive into Bitcoin, right? And you can trade Bitcoin on the PrimeXBT platform. You can see here, it's really easy, and I'll show you exactly how to trade this. But if we head over to Bitcoin over here, if I just type it in, right, if we head over to Bitcoin, you can see on the daily chart, what I am interested in is this high getting run out eventually. This is my long-term target for Bitcoin. So I expect 74,000 to get ran at some point. If you look at the trading range we're in right now, you can see we have a fair value gap down here, okay, which has been traded into. And notice we also swept sell-side liquidity into the fair value gap, which is in a discount, because we had an impulse price swing, consolidation, impulse price swing, came back down into a discount of the impulse and swept up lots of resting sell-side liquidity. You've got lows here, all around here, that got swept up. Now, if you take a look up here, you see we have equal highs above these two, and we have a high back here and a high back here. That's a lot of resting buy-side liquidity. What I want to focus on in here, in my opinion, this breaker got used once we traded above it, because we have a low, a high, a lower low, and a higher high. And then you can see we reaccumulated longs after breaking through. If I zoom into this, we had the breaker form, we traded above it on a closing basis, wicked back in, and then moved higher. Now what I want to see is ideally this hold, okay, for longs. So ideally, if this candle can close inside the body of this candle, I would be scouting longs up into here. But what I'm going to do today with the PrimeXBT platform is actually take a long. Where am I taking a long from? Here, but this is a long-term position. So this is going to be my position for transparency. I'll probably partial above this high, okay? Partial above here, and then take full profit at this point. If we head over to trade in here, you go to crypto futures, you can see we have the same Bitcoin chart, okay? If I skip through the tutorials, you can see, because I'm already familiar with the platform, you might want to go through the tutorials, but you can see it's the exact same chart, okay? You can even change the settings to match your trading view, okay? So it's almost like being on trading view. You can see I would be able to add all of these same things like I would on TradingView. We got the low that got swept, and you can see we are inside the breaker block here. Okay, this is really easy to use, and I don't want this to be a bias review, okay, but as I said, the company's really well trusted. They've been around ages, okay, and they reached out to me and asking if I wanted to partner. After doing my research, I said yeah, because you know I don't partner with anyone. You hardly ever see promotions in my video, but I like to be picky with the companies. All I would need to do here is place a buy order once I've deposited into my account, and you would set a stop loss like this. So if I was buying one up here, I would sell one below here because that's where I want my stop loss to be. And then the high is up here. You can see it lists the high for you. Then I would sell one off here. And that is exactly how you would trade crypto on the PrimeXBT platform. Okay, so just a short review today. I will be doing some more videos with PrimeXBT, and you will see them on my Twitter feed, in my Twitter bio, things like that. So with that being said, that does bring us to the end of this short little introduction to the partnership between me and PrimeXBT. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching this short video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.